You guys. Oh. Look at my baby. Aww. It's worse than having a child in the hospital. And they don't have no blanket, no pillow. Tank. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I don't want to say it wrong because Mr. Holomoto cleaned me a new fresh ass for saying the wrong word. So hopefully, I'm going to say it right. This? No. Ball joint bearing, if I'm saying it right. Where are they at? Here. It's this thing here. Completely locked up from what he said. So hopefully we'll get back to working on him one day this week. If not, I have a good friend that I'm going to tell him how much I love him. And remind him we've been friends for more than 40 years. I'll see if he might lend a hand. So that's it on tape right now. Poor baby. That was one tough ass four-wheeler right there. I will have to admit that. Gonna get him fixed and get him back to running. So, bye baby.